Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we discuss something interesting about Amazon Alexa. So let's start. What is Amazon Alexa? Amazon Alexa, also known simply as Alexa, is a virtual assistant AI technology developed by Amazon. Alexa can also control several smart devices using itself as a home automation system. Users are able to extend the Alexa capabilities by installing skills. Most devices with Alexa allow users to activate the device using a wake-up word. Other devices on iOS or Android require the user to push button to activate Alexa's listening mode, although some phones also allow a user to say a command such as Alexa or Alexa wake. Here we talk about some functions of Alexa. Alexa can perform a number of preset functions out of the box, such as set timers, share the current weather, create lists, access Wikipedia articles, play music, and many more things. Users say a designated wake up word to alert an Alexa enabled device of an ensuing function command. Alexa listens for the command and performs the appropriate function or skill to answer a question or a command. Alexa's question answering ability is partly powered by the Wolfram language.
I'm your virtual
Alexa,
assistant, your
how are you
cloud-based
today?
AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime I'm good. Get ready to help. Or be surprised. Just say
Alexa,
my name. I've got
play some
timers,
Bollywood
reminders,
music.
alarms lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, Star Kids, Bollywood from Hangama Music. Here's some tunes. Ask for the score. Wait, there's more. Link me to your calendar. I won't lead you astray. I'll help you through the day. I can sing a
This is the data carried from 2016 which shows skill echo owners have used at least one. Technology advancements. As of April 2019, Amazon had over 90,000 functions available for users to download on their Alexa enabled devices, a massive increase from only 1,000 functions in June 2016. Microsoft AI Cortana became available to use on Alexa enabled devices as of August 2018. In 2018, Amazon rolled out a new beep mode wherein Alexa would begin responding with a beep sound rather than saying OK to confirm receipt of a command. Here a picture which shows how to use Alexa. It is very simple to set up and use Alexa. There are also some receptions and issues. There are concerns about the access Amazon has to private conversations in the home and other non-verbal indication that can identify who is present in the home with non-stop audio pickup from Alexa enabled devices. Amazon responds to these concerns by stating that the device only streams recordings from the user's home when the wake up word activates the device. Amazon used past voice recordings sent to the cloud service to improve responses to further questions. User can delete voice recordings that are associated with their account. Here, now we discuss some serious issue about Alexa. Can Amazon Alexa get hacked? A flaw in Amazon's Alexa smart home devices could have allowed hackers access to personal information and conversation history. Cybersecurity researchers say attackers could install or remove apps on a device without the owner knowing, Checkpoint research report. Here is one picture which shows how Alexa get hacked with the use of laser. Thank you everyone. I am Shivangi Bhatia from Maitri College.